Okay, guys, in the next video, the camera died. So, in the last video, I was going to take one of her poppets because she's in the bathroom. Let's steal this donut squishy. Oh, I brought Malachi here. He's best friends with Matt now. And I'm going to take this rainbow poppet. Ooh, looking good. And guys, let's take Scruffy. I'm back. Clover's feds. You're taking my puppets and fidgets. No. What do you mean? What do you mean? How dare you take my puppets and fidgets? I'm sorry. Okay. Well, guys, stay tuned for the next video, and this video is going to be exciting for most of you, and it's going to be how to put puppets without using your fingers, and also a quick trick puppet quiz. So, see this bubble? I can make it turn white. So, like, take a puppet. And I'm just, I might need to put the camera somewhere. Okay, so take a puppet and then just go like that. And oh my God, guys, it turns white. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as I said, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.